Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change wallpaper for specific chat in WhatsApp. So you can open any chat and then we are going to change background wallpaper. Now you see wallpaper. On top right you see three dots, so click on it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see chat theme, so click on it. So we are in chat theme. Now you see the chat color and wallpaper will both change. So you can select any. Now you see multiple option. So we select this. If you want, you can change color. Now you see. So you can select any color. So it's up to you. So you can increase or decrease brightness. Now you see. And then you see tick icon. So click on it. Set theme. This will replace your existing chat theme in my files. And then you see set theme button. So click on it. So we are in chat. Now you see change. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.